Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2024 of CDS 1 exam. For question number 79 and 80, there is common statement, and the statement is: consider the following for the next two items that follow. ABCD is a circle with center O and taking OC as diameter. A circle is drawn as shown in the figure below. Let OB is equal to 7 centimeter. Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Question number 79 based on this is: what is the area of the shaded region? Option A 38.5 square centimeter. Option B 48 square centimeter. Option C 52.5 square centimeter, and option D 66.5 square centimeter. And question number 8 is: what is the ratio of the area of the shaded region of the area of the non-shaded region? Option A 19 by 25, option B 18 by 25, option C 17 by 25, and option D 16 by 25. So here to find out the area of the shaded region, we need to find out the area of this smaller circle and area of this part. So area of the smaller circle is, because here OB is your 7 centimeter, so radius of this OC will be your 7 by 2. So area will be your pi into 7 by 2 square. So area of the smaller circle will be 77 by 2. If we put pi as 22 by 7. Okay, now for this portion area of this shaded region, we will calculate the area of this semicircle and subtract the area of the triangle. So area of the semicircle is 1 by 2 pi r square. 1 by 2 pi is 22 by 7, and r for this semicircle is 7, so this 7 square. And this is your 7, OB is 7, so BD will be 14, and this is your 7, so area is base into perpendicular by 2, so that is 1 by 2 into 14 into 7, so that will be, as we solve it, it will be 28. So total shaded area will be 77 by 2 plus 28, that is 133.2 or 56.5 centimeters. So now to find out the ratio of the area of shaded region to non-shaded region, we need to find out the area of non-shaded region. So area of non-shaded region will be area of circle minus area of shaded region. So area of big circle is pi r square. R for big circle is 7 and pi is 22 by 7. And area of shaded region we have calculated, that is 133 by 2. So it will come out as 175 by 2. And required ratio will be your area of shaded portion, that is 133 by 2, and area of non-shaded portion, that is 175 by 2. So that will be 19 by 25. So answer to question number 80 is 19 by 5 or 90 by 25. So answer is option A. And for 79 66.5, that is option B.